Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the phone so enrollment succeeds. Open Settings and go directly to Security or Biometrics. Enter your PIN or password when prompted. Make sure the front camera is clean and your face is evenly lit. This matters because the sensor maps facial landmarks. Once done, select Face Unlock or Face Recognition and follow on-screen prompts to position your face inside the frame. Hold steady and slowly rotate your head if asked to capture different angles. This builds a reliable template. Now you'll complete the actual enrollment. You'll position your face in the center of the oval and follow rotation prompts so the system captures multiple angles. This creates a 3D-like map. Keep a neutral expression and remove bulky glasses or hats if the prompt suggests it. Consistency improves unlock speed and accuracy. Once the scans finish, the device will process and store a template locally for security. Make sure to enable fallback PIN or fingerprint as a backup before exiting enrollment. Finish by testing and adjusting settings so the feature works reliably. Lock the screen and try Face Unlock 3 times from typical angles. If recognition is slow or false accepts occur, enable the Require Attention or similar setting to demand eye contact or reduce sensitivity if available. If problems persist, re-enroll your face in better lighting or after removing accessories. Also check for system updates and security patches. They can fix recognition bugs. If you still fail, remove the face data and start a fresh enrollment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.